Hi guys, my name is North Mountain, and welcome back to the Turing test. Last time we met, not actually met, but we saw Sarah, the ship's, ground crew's doctor, medical officer, I should say, and she put us in a thing called the Faraday cage, which makes the AI not be able to control us anymore. So that's pretty much what happened, and now we can sort of occupy cameras and electronic devices and such, which is kind of a new and interesting mechanic. So we'll just crack on with chapter 5.
Ava, are you okay?
Why didn't you tell me?
What? Ava, you said it yourself. Teleoperation makes sense. We used drones on Mars. Why not use drones on Europa?
Not human drones.
So that's the new mechanic. I can jump into the cameras and manipulate objects like that.
Why did the ISA install implants in the crew?
Yeah, why did they?
It is due to the fundamental aspects of human behavior, which together constitute what the International Space Agency calls the human element. It has been made clear that the human element is neither peripheral nor optional in the pursuit of space. However, the human element is unpredictable. The implants are fail-safes, put in place to ensure that the thoughts and actions of the crew matches the desires of the ISA.
Yeah, but then you take away the one thing that makes us human. Our free will. Now I can open that. And just jump back into you. Go through here.
Why control people? Can't you trust us?
We chose to install biometric chips in all ISA astronauts for one simple reason. We cannot trust people. The stakes are far too high. It was determined that though the probability of life on Europa being dangerous was low, the risk to humanity was catastrophic. We could not let a small contingent of humanity endanger the whole.
Uh-huh. Let's see here. Okay. I stand inside here and manipulate the door again, and then use that. I can get back to her, so I can move on with my life. Now I'm up here. Oh, hang on. Wait a minute. I need a ball for that. I don't have one. Oh, I'm a dummy. Jesus Christ.
The ground crew have proven our distrust of human explorers was warranted. When we informed them they were grounded, they responded violently, with sabotage and subterfuge. They have continued to seek their own benefit above that of the ISA.
No, I think they're trying to survive. Your asshole behavior is... if I do that, I close that. Oh, that's no good. Can I... Is there something there I can get into? No. Okay, because if I go into her, take that, same shit happens. What's what here? What is what? Oh, I'm such a moron. Put this there instead. And then manipulate that so that they are still open. Good. So here we go. need to get in there at some point, I think. But why though? Because there's a window there. Okay, I get it. Can I get the ball from here? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. And then I can get the ball from there. From the window. Put it back. Boop. And then I can put it in there. Which, and then go over there. And manipulate that. Which opens those. Go back to Ava. No, don't fall down. Oh, didn't want to do all that all over again. And then steal the ball. Put it here. Bang, bang.
This is a violation of human rights. You've
Yes,
made
it
me
is.
into a human drone, a slave. How could the ISA approve of such a thing?
You may be
Because they're
consumed
assholes.
by a moral outrage. But sometimes the removal of freedom is for the greater moral good.
You're a machine. You don't even know what freedom is.
Exactly that. Okay, we have a cube. We have a ball. The cube operates that door. Do we have any cameras in here? Yes, we have one. We have one camera. How can we... Oh, I see. I see. I can move these around. Can I get that? No, they're not activated though. Oh, because they need that ball. Okay, here we go. So we need the ball to activate those. But what? Okay, what happens if I put this in the middle? Oh, it's a merry-go-round. Yay! One more, one more, one more, one more. Oh, it's so fast. Okay, enough goofing around. Okay, so that activates that. So if I put that one in that, it will take the cube and I can put it on the conveyor belt, which takes, because that only goes so far, it takes it on the other side, and then there I can put it over there on that pressure plate, put the ball in there, activate that door. Okay, that must be the plan. Okay. I'll put you there. There's there. We go here. Here. Oh, this is hard to aim here. Is that good? I think so. Let me grab the ball again. Yes, good. Put the ball there. And you go around there. No, not me. Let go of me. And you go around there. Take the ball. Put you in there. I think I better do this from upstairs. I knew it. Fucking damn it. I should have done all of this from upstairs. I'm a moron. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Then why didn't I do it, you ask? Yes, this is a conundrum that has been perplexing many generations. So I do this again. God damn it. And onto the conveyor belt you go. There we go. There we go. Because or else I'm gonna get locked out. And we get the ball. We put the ball there. And yeah, it doesn't really matter how far it goes. We put that one there. Boom. We go to the camera. Always the wrong buttons. I don't know what I'm doing. And you go over that there. That should be good. And then we take the ball. And we put the ball there. And the door is open. Okay, that was level 5.
This
comes number
is why the
6.
ground crew doesn't trust you, Tom. You made them into drones.
No.
You stole their free will.
Free will is an illusion. They have put their interests above the interests of the ISA and of humanity. That is why they distrust me. They would have no issue with my control if it aligned with their ignoble goals.
How could they trust a machine that has a back door to their minds?
You can always trust a machine to be logical. I will always do the right thing.
You'll always do the logical thing.
Yeah, exactly. Can I... Can't really do anything up here. Oh, okay. Mouse and... There we go. So... And back to Ava. Go on to that one. Get the ball. Put the ball there. Go in there. And Ava, up you go. And back you go. Back I go, I guess. Up, did up. Thought it would be one of those color puzzles, which I'm not that big a fan of, as you have seen in several episodes. They bring me intense brain pain. Here we go.
This is slavery.
Do not be so melodramatic. You signed up for this. You had the implant installed. This is not slavery. This is for the good of humanity.
I didn't know.
Every member of the team had the implant installed into their right hand. Every member of the team agreed.
Ava, you must learn to control him.
Excuse me, what does this do? Exactly. Where are you at, Ava? Where'd you go? Oh, you're right there. How does this help me exactly? Because I need the ball. And I need to put it... Can I jump over to the... I wasn't sprinting, though. That was kind of dumb. But I can still put it in there. But now I'm sure that that door is locked. But can I still get into the camera from over here? Yes, I can. But I'm still on the wrong side of the goddamn door. I think I should have gone on to the bridge. And not down here. I should have stood on the bridge, be taken over here, so I can take the ball, then go back. Yeah, that must be the solution. Come here. Where are you at? There you're at. That's a kind of a jarring experience. Go there. Manipulate this over there. Get back to Ava. Get the ball. Put the ball there. Go to the camera. Pull the bridge back. Pull the bridge back. There we go. Go back into Ava. And we should be fine. Yeah.
My
Good.
implants protect you from the power of your unconstrained will. You can either subject your mind to logic, or you can resist and have the fruits of your basest desires. The desire to survive over the desire to save others.
No, but you're not giving me any choice. This is the entire. That's okay. These pipes must mean the camera can go up and down. So that means, which means what? I can take the ball and put the ball up there, and then I can go this and open that. Boom. And then I can go back to Ava, take the ball, put it in there, and away we go.
I do not understand your obsession with free will. Researchers have found that the subconscious makes decisions up to 10 seconds before your conscious mind becomes aware of it. So, we know that free will is nothing but an illusion. I cannot steal your free will, because it does not exist. I can, however, influence your subconscious to make the right decisions.
That is
not wrong.
That's a circular argument, my friend. You're not my friend anymore. Okay, I need 2 balls to get into there. There's one. Can I get up on the other side? Yes, I can. Let's see what's over here. Let's recon. Okay, I need a ball. Oh, I need a ball and the cube. Well, that's easy enough. Oh, I need 3. Well, I can get the ball easily enough to get the... No, I can't. No, I can't. Because then this door isn't open. So I need 1 more before... how do I do that? What happens if I manipulate this one here? Oh, okay, I get it. I get it from inside. Because there's a window there. Then I can get the cube out. So I take this. Put it there. Get the cube. Get the fucking cube! Ava, don't do this to me. Throw it out the window. Get the ball, put it back, get out. And then we have 2 things to open that door over there. So I'll just take this with me. So we can get in here and get the last one. Blammo. And we need... I can actually just take the ball from here. No, I can't. I'm such a moron. I have to have it over here. Whoop! Did I see? Same principle. Inside, outside, window, bam. Bam. Take that. Take that. And now we are, as they say, golden. But I can't carry the cube over, so I have to take the ball here instead. Put the cube in. Plunk. And then do this over there with you. Take the balls with my gun. I can't remember what it's called, but it's some kind of gun. Boink, boink. And then we take the cube. Put it over here. Put it in. Oh, last level. Oh. Oh, can I be a robot? I can be a robot! Look at me! Look at me go! What does that do? That activates a bridge. Okay. So, if I go up here, I can actually go upstairs. I'm a really good robot. Okay, Ava, I need you to help me here. I need you to stand on that pad while I go up, because I have a feeling that this is what is supposed to happen. That the robot is supposed to go over here and do something here. Well, I guess go down the stairs. And then I open the door for something, because I sure as hell can't get up here. What if I just do this? Because now I'm back here, and Ava can get across. Does she need to get across?
You can't just manipulate someone's mind.
No.
Your parents manipulate you. Your friends manipulate you. Your society manipulates you. And your experiences manipulate you. Manipulate is not a dirty word. You manipulate clay to make art.
That's not the same
If
thing.
people are manipulated to make better decisions, then that is a good thing.
No.
This is why society advertises the adverse effects of drinking and driving. To manipulate people into making better decisions for the common good.
That
That's
is
not the same as altering someone's physical mind. It removes my power to decide.
You never had that power. So it is
Yes,
better
I
that
do.
I have it.
No.
You are either a slave to your impulses, or a slave to mine.
I don't like you. You are
This is the evil they found. This is why we have to stop them leaving Europa, Eva.
What is it?
Mostly extremophiles. Tiny single-cellular life. It can never leave Europa. It could potentially destroy Earth's ecosystem if it were ever introduced.
I lost my train of thought because of his rambling. I guess these are, what are they called? Petri dishes? Yeah. Test tubes. Oh! Can I read this? It is too small. I cannot possibly read this. I don't know if I have to. What is this? Some ethanol. 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 So I guess these are the specimens who were not infected. And the more they were infected, the more they got the organism and virus in them, the longer they live. So these guys over here are super duper infected with the organism which has a virus in it, which reconstructs the DNA constantly. So those plants are basically immortal. What is this? SG Triton X100. That doesn't sound like something I would like to drink. Oh, here's some log. Oh, okay. A little bit closer to the screen here. I'm just gonna skim through this real fast, read it out loud as much as I can. If you want to, you can just skip it by in the video. To investigate the roll double strand break repair in the radiation rectangle observed in human cells infected with Europa radiophilus using a GFP emerald rod construct. Nota bene. GRP emerald rad 50 construct. Comprehension information 110.19. Sequencing 114 through 116. Purification page 117. Yeah, these are pages. These are pages 122 and 123. Transformation onto human cell treatments. Group A, human keratinocytes. Is that what it says? Infected with the Europa radiovirus and cultured as described on page 120. Eradicated with 35V. Up to recover a fresh medium from troop bars, page 87 protocol. AI transform. AI transformed with GPP Emerald Rad 50 construct. No, BII. No GFP Emerald Rod. Graph C. Human I can't read that. Not infected with Europa radiovirus. Cultured as described, page 120. Irradiated with 35V. Left to recover in fresh medium for 2 hours, page 87. CI transformed with GFP Emerald Rad 50 construct. CII, C1 or C2. No GFP Emerald Rad 50 construct. Graph D. Grap. No, group. It says group, for fuck's sake. Group, not graph. Group. Human keratinocytes not infected with Europa radiovirus. Not read as described. Page 120. Not irradiated. DI transformed with GFP. Okay, so we have 4 different cell treatments here. Purpose: to investigate the role of DNA code strand break repair in the radiation resistance observed in human keratinocytes infected with Europa radiovirus with GFP Emerald Rad 50 construct. Cultured P120 human keratinocytes. Groups A through D transformed with GFP Emerald Rad 50 construct, page 110 to 119. Exposed A plus C to 335V radiaton. Stricken, page 87. Imaged in bind trials leading to a microscope video capture digital camera, EX-tab image software to discern the level of GFP expression in irradiated cells. Make 10 minutes damage. Remains fixed as unirradiated. Images showed representative cells of at least 60 analyzed per condition. So here we have the four groups. A is infected and irradiated. B is infected but unirradiated. C is uninfected but irradiated. D is uninfected and unirradiated. So, and that's the nucleus in blue, and the GFF Emerald was the GFP. Oh, doesn't matter. Emerald Rad 50. So clearly, the guys in Group A have the largest effect, which are the ones are infected and irradiated. And the ones in Group C, not infected, but irradiated. That doesn't really make any sense. But sure. More papers, more reading, more story. I want it. Test tubes. Fuck test tubes. Here's some more. Can I read that? Yes. Okay. Page 90 and 91. Expose. Purpose. Study the effects of irradiation on human keratinocytes infected with Europa radiovirus. Sample A. Human culture as described. It's basically the same. Basically, they describe the same for sample groups. Now, flow cytometry. Samples A through D analyzed with a flow count flow cytometer using 4m nanometer excitation and you can't read that, fluorescence emission per live cells via violet stain, and 525 nanometers fluorescence emission for cleared cells. For dead cells, aqueous lane. Sample A. L equals live, D dead. So calcine violet fluorescence and aqua stain fluorescence. So sample A, clearly more alive than dead. Sample B, same. Sample C, all dead. Not infected, but irradiated. And sample D, more alive than dead, but less so than sample A and B. What are our conclusions from this? I'm not a scientist. Can I read this? Yeah. Okay. Scanning electron microscopy of from page of construct from page 76. Purpose: to investigate structural features, potential modes of transmission of Europa radiovirus. Europa radiovirus isolated from thorough coordinates and transported once to laboratory. Samples fixed with 2.5% in 100 sodium co-satellite, then ashed and suspended in distilled water. Samples examined using a Zeiss Galaxy 3 scanning electron microscope at 1 kilovolts. SEM of Europa radiovirus showing presence of all of pili eradicated by arrow, indicated by arrow. Sample negatively stable with sodium phosphotungstate pH 7. Mode of attachment to other Europa radiovirus ? Mode of attachment to human cells ? Microscopy of Europa radiovirus and human cells. TEM of Europa radiovirus attacking to human, all via glow. I can't read that. Purpose: imaging of. God damn it! My neck is killing me. There we go. Images were taken using a electron microscope with a 20 cryo TEM of Europa radiovirus attached to human cheek cell via pilus, indicated by arrow. Inset shows magnification of yellow box. Microscopy with other human cell types and Europa radiovirus. Why attacking? Benefit to Europa radiovirus? Effect on human cell? What is transferred / to which organism? Interesting. So this must be some sort of sample analysis, or else it's just a goddamn printer, but I think it's some kind of sample analysis machinery. Here. What was that noise? Okay, there's a tower out there. Oh, ho, ho, ho. He's looking at me again. Tom, you sneaky bastard. Fuck, man. Hate you. We seen that. There's a test tube. Nothing I can do. Oh no, that was the same. Same machine is over there. Microscope. Nothing to look at. Here's a looking glass again. I guess they could look at specimens. Unopenable briefcase. What's in here? What's in here? Caution. Okay, I guess these are specimens of... These look half dead. Does it say which control group they're a part of? I don't know, man. Your rig looks kind of old. Okay, moving on. Tom! Peeping Tom! Okay, that was a lot of scientific information to take in the end. The puzzles weren't that hard in this episode, I think. As long as there aren't those multicolored assholes with 15 balls to manipulate and 1 cube and stuff like that. So that was chapter 5. I really think this game is interesting. The music is ramping up as well now. So we'll be moving into chapter 6 in the next episode. But for now, my guy... but for now, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about the game in the comments below. If you liked it, hit the like button. And if you want to stay updated with my videos, then consider clicking the subscribe button as well. That would help a lot. This is North Mountain signing off. Bye bye.